What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, you and I are going to be drawing Goofy from Disney. Now I'm going to show you the easiest way to draw this character. So we're going to start in the center of the page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start over on the left side. We start from the very top, come down towards the bottom of our oval, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So we're going to line up the top over on the right side, come down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's fill those ovals in black. Now along the bottom of the eyes, we're going to add a curve at the top of the muzzle. So we'll start all the way over on the left side. Just going to touch the bottom of the eyes, going up and then back down. Now I'm going to work our way around the outside of the eyes. Let's start back over on the left. We're going to go out, go up towards the top, and just pull that down towards the middle to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. It's almost like drawing a half oval, going up, down along the side, and then bend that in. Let's add a couple folds along the top of the muzzle. Starting over on the left, go up, and then down. Step down and draw that again. Now directly underneath that last fold, we're going to draw in the nose. Starting right in the middle, draw an oval, going out towards the left, come across towards the right, and then back up towards the top. And then we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Now from here, we're going to work our way around the outside of the muzzle. From the bottom left corner of the eye, we're going to step over towards the left, go around, come down towards the bottom, and I just want to pull that up in the middle to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. From the corner of the eye, step out, go all the way around, come down, and then pull that up in the middle. Now going back up to the top of the muzzle, we're going to add the mouth, going out and up along the side of the eyes. And we'll add a small bracket going across the corners of the mouth. Now from the outside of the eye, I'm just going to curve around the corner of the mouth. We'll go up, come down, and then in toward the top of the muzzle. Let's add those two teeth along the bottom. Let's start on the left, come down with two lines, and close off the bottom with a slight curve. Let's draw that same shape over on the right. Start with those two lines, and we'll just round out the bottom of the tooth. Now I'm going to open up our character's mouth. Just underneath each tooth, we're going to draw a curve, going down, and then back up. Let's trace the mouth along the outside. So we're going to step out on the left, just leave an even gap going all the way around, and then up. Let's place the tongue along the inside of the mouth. Starting from the inside of the left tooth, we're going to come in, and then bend that down to create a fold. And we step back up, go up, and then down towards the right. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black along the top. Now let's go back and draw the outside of the head. Starting on top of the left cheek, we're going to go up above the left eye, going up towards the top. I'm just going to bend that down. We're just tracing that shape of the eye. Let's go up on the right, come around, and then down towards the top of the cheek. Now on the side of the head, we're going to draw the base of the ears. We're going to start with a half circle. We're going to go out and then in. Let's line this up on the right. And we'll place the ears along the side of those half circles. Let's start over on the left, come down. I'm just going to bend that out. Let's round out the ear, bring that in. Now the ear gets narrower as we come back up towards the top. So we're going to come in and just taper this up towards the top. Let's go to the outside of the right ear. It's going to bend this out and then down. Round out the bottom of the ear. Just pulling that in. And then again, just going narrower as we go up and then in toward the side. Now we move up, place the hat on top of the head bent over towards the left. Let's start on top of the left eye. We're going to bend this up and then out. Let's go on top of the right brow and draw a slightly longer curve going up and across. Now on the left side, we're going to step down, we're going to draw an oval, going all the way around the hat, going up towards the right, I just want to tuck this in on the side. Now I want to continue these two curves along the top. So I'm going to step up, bend this up and out with a short line. Continue this curve on the right, going up and across. Let's add a trim. Taking this curve, we're going to step up, go all the way across, and then we'll fill that trim in black. Now I'm going to finish off the top of the hat with a series of folds. On the top right, we're going to step down, start by going up towards the top, round this out, come in, and then down. Let's add a small fold. We're going to step up, across, and then down. Step up, draw the left side of the hat going all the way around. I just want to tuck this in on the left side. Let's add a few hairs in the center of the head. Starting from the middle, we're going to bend this up and then across towards the right. Go back and add another curve. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the ears, the base, and the outside of the head. Let's start from the left side. And once we're done filling that in, we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Goofy from Disney. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.